So it is Saturday, and just like last Saturday, I went into work and they were like, hey, we got too many people, not enough work to do. So I got the day off, and it's supposed to be nice out today, most of the day, until later on. So Hudson and I are gonna go for a hike. We're gonna take advantage of the nice day. We're gonna go drive to Big Sky, to Lava Lake Trailhead, and that's the trail we're gonna go hike. She's tight, but we'll take her. You ready? All right. We gotta get dressed. Got a little cabin. That's cool. Let's go, buddy. Runs right along a river so far. That's pretty awesome. I think this is like 6 or 7 miles out and back, but it goes up like 1,500 or 1,800 feet of elevation over 3 miles. Oh my God, look at this. Whoops. We've hiked up 658 feet in just over a mile. That's a lot. Stay here. You want to go down in the water? Is it nice in there? Huh? Alright, you ready to go cross it? Good job. No camping, no campfires within. Okay. Where's the lake at, buddy? Oh, here it is. Here it is. Let's go see it. Oh. Dude. This is awesome. Heck yeah, bud. Come here. Come here. Ready? Okay, you're free. Hold on, actually. Come here. Hey, Hudson, wait, come here. Come here. Come here. I don't want you getting your harness all wet. Okay, go ahead. Oh, how cold is that, buddy? Good boy. That's Lava Lake. The wind and rain are starting to pick up, so we're gonna go hike out of here. But that was really awesome. Hudson, come here. Getting absolutely drenched right now, but we're gonna try and get one more view before we hike down. All right, buddy, we can go down. Good job. Good job, Huds. There's our car through the trees. We're almost back. Here's the car. Hold on, let me take this off you. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, hop in. There you go, bud. Good job. We just finished hiking. We're back in the car. It took us 2.5 hours total. It was 6 miles out and back, and we climbed over 1,600 feet of elevation gain. So it took us an hour and a half to hike up and about an hour to hike out. That's pretty good. That's pretty quick. And now he is a very tired, sleepy boy. And we're out of here. And that's my water bottle sliding down. Here we go, Bubba Dukes.